Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week so far. Well, it's only Monday, but I hope you had a great week, the beginning of your week. Today is June the 9th of 2025. We have made it to day number 61 of this Mileage and Secrets challenge. And if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number one of this video. We've made it to 2 months in. We're 2 months in strong with this video series. We made it to day number 61. We're starting into that third month of this series. And I just wanted to show you guys that we're having a great time doing this and we're making money. We're cranking. We're still in this beginning stage. But guys, things are going to get really, really good. And I hope you guys stick with us. Okay. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video, okay, which I'll show you here in just a moment on how to get to it. And there's just going to be a lot of cool stuff in this series, okay? And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, okay, we are using a network called ClickBank, okay? We're taking one offer from ClickBank, all right, which is the a business opportunity niche, okay? And we're taking one offer from that. We're going to promote that one offer for 365 days. Okay. 1 year, we're going to promote that offer to a system called My Legion Secret System. Okay. Which is an email platform. We're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing so. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that step by step. And I'm going to be with you guys 365 days to show you guys how to do stuff. And just a lot of cool stuff that you can do to make money online. All right. So we're on day number 61. Let's go ahead and hop right to it. All right. So if you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, Mileage and Secret is an email service that provides you 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So in this back office, you pretty much have your own email business. All right. So this business, you're going to be able to accumulate thousands and thousands of people every single month that you come here. You're going to have thousands of people that you can send out emails to, business opportunities to, people that are interested to making money online. Okay. And then you're going to be able to earn income from these folks that are coming in that are looking for ways to make money. All right. So to get started with My Legion Secret System, this is what your back office is going to look like, exactly like this. Okay. It's a little bit about myself real quick. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've been doing this over a few years, so I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you it does work. It does convert. Okay. I've earned income with this traffic. All right. But I do want to tell you guys it is cold traffic. Okay. So these people coming into the community, these people have, they don't know who you are. Okay. They have to get warmed up to you first before they start opting in to your offers. And then also, it takes them a little bit to get, used to you guys. Okay. So, what you want to do is you come in, you send out emails every single day. Okay. Every 24 hours, you can come in here to the Mileage and Secret System. You can send one email. Okay. Now that email can go out to thousands of people. All right. And that's the whole idea of the Mileage and Secret System. And staying with the system is to build up your list, okay, of subscribers. And then once you get up to a certain amount, you'll be able to send those emails out. People will start warming up to you, and then eventually they'll start purchasing your offer, whatever you put in front of them. Okay, as long as they're interested in that. All right. So the mileage is secret, guys. This is what it looks like in your back office. It's going to look exactly like this, okay, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out, okay. Your emails may be a little bit different from mine, okay. Now, right now with the mileage and secret system, I have 8 different accounts, okay. Now you don't have to run out and go grab 8 accounts. A matter of fact, I would suggest you starting off with at least either 3 or 5, okay, and stick with that. Okay. And then once you start earning income, then you start scaling up. Okay. Cause that's what I did. Okay. I started off as smaller accounts. And then once I started earning income, I started to scale up and get more and more and more accounts. Then I found a sweet spot at 8, 8 to 10 is going to be a good sweet spot for you. Okay. But I wouldn't recommend starting off like that because unless you have the budget to do so. Okay. If you have the budget, you have maybe a good job, a good blue collar job or white collar, whatever you want to call it, right? If you have money coming in and you can afford to spend an extra $500 $400 or $500 a month to keep these accounts. I recommend you going out and grabbing as many accounts as you can and just stick with that for maybe 6 months to a year. Okay. And then once you start earning that income, then everything will level out for you guys. Okay. But if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you don't have the money. Okay. I will definitely start off at least 2 or 3 accounts. Okay. Five is going to be your sweet spot. Okay. But, start off with what you can. Okay. So, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. There is a one-time charge to get started of $60 and then $30 a month for you to keep the service. What you're getting in return of keeping the service is going to be thousands of new subscribers coming in every single month. All right. So eventually, after a year, 6 months to a year, you're going to have thousands of people that you're going to be able to send out emails to every single day. Okay. Now, if you guys want to get started, go to below this video. There's going to be this link, kind of URL, MLGS True Freedom. Okay. You click on that link. It takes you to the MyLegion secret system. And the cool thing about MyLegion secret system, guys, you can have multiple accounts with this. Okay. So once you sign up below, your back office is going to look like this. You would pretty much sign out of your account that you just signed up with, right? And then put this in the URL and then sign up under your own account using a different email address. All right. You can use the same credit card, just use a different email address. That way the mileage and secret don't catch on that you're just, spamming and trying to scam the system or something like that. Create a different email address and then those emails, those accounts can be separate. All right. And mileage and secret is aware of people making multiple accounts to collect multiple subscribers. Okay. So they're all down. They're all for it, guys. They're all down with it. All right. So the main tab, you got all these tabs here. We'll go into them detail later, but the main tab you're going to be looking at is this mailing system. Okay. This mailing system, you want to go here. You're going to want to select all, which is moves these emails over to the portal. So that way, when you send out one email, it goes out to all of these subscribers. Okay. This specific account that I have has about 175,000, over 175,000 subscribers. So we send out one email, it's going to go out to all of these people. Okay, guys. So what we want to do here, and we want to grab a email from the vendor. Okay, so the offer that we're promoting from ClickBank is called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. If you see that, this Social Sales Rep is a pretty cool offer. Okay, there is a rebill of $28 every single month, and then we get to keep $20 of that each and every month that we stack brand new people coming in. So this offer is why I'm promoting this offer, because it has residual billing every single month. So we do the work one time, the person signs up, and they get billed over and over and over and over again till they decide they don't want to be at work anymore or something like that. They want to quit. But there's a lot of people staying on with the program. As you guys can see, we'll be getting rebills after rebills. Since we're on this second month, we've already gotten rebills from the first month. Okay, guys, which is pretty cool. Because this third month, what you're going to see is you're going to start seeing people signing, people getting rebilled from the first month and the second month. Okay. And then we're in the third month. We're going to start having those $40 days. All right. Which is going to be pretty awesome. Okay. And we've already started, already started to have $40 days. Okay. But this is going to be a rebill of $40 days, which is going to be cool. And then on top of that, we may have a day where we get a new sign up in the third month. And that way we can have a $60 day, guys, which is pretty cool, pretty awesome. So this series, guys, is going to be by far none the best video series, guys, because I'm going to go into different ways to make money with this. Right now, I'm just starting off in a basic way where anybody can get started. But once we get into three this month and then the next month, we're going to start getting into some more advanced techniques. Okay. That way you can separate yourself from everyone else. So that's doing the same thing. Okay. What I'm showing with you guys, there could be there's other people that are watching this video. These people are going to want to go out and do the same thing. Okay. And then what you're going to want to do is separate yourself from what everybody else is doing. You're going to want to stand out from the crowd, so to speak. All right. But we'll get into that later. Right now, let's just promote the free email swipes. You're going to just make money just from the email swipes that you send out, guys. So if you send out all 20 of these emails right here, you're going to make money. It's just a numbers game, guys. You send these emails out every single day. You come in, you're gonna get subscribers. Okay. Now, If we want to separate ourselves, that's when we kind of start getting better conversions and stuff like that. But that stuff is more advanced. But right now, I'm just talking to all the newbies out there. We're just going to promote these 20 emails, and we're just going to keep, posting these emails over and over and over again. All right. So let's go ahead, and I think yesterday we promoted this one. So let's go ahead and go to a different one, right? Maybe trying to remember here, 14 and then 15. Okay, let's just try to go to 15. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this subject line. We're going to take that, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and we're going to Control V in the subject line. If you guys know how to send out an email on like Google or Yahoo, whatever email service that you use, then you can do this, guys. It's super easy to do. Click on perfect timing. That way the email goes out at the right time. You want to take this body of text. You want to grab it all, right? And then come down here, Control C. Underneath this link is going to be, underneath this email is going to be this link right here. We're going to grab this link, and this link goes with this email. Okay. So we're going to put those together. All right. So just go here, Control A, highlight everything, Control V. Super easy, guys. Okay. Take out signature. You put in either your name or management, whichever one you choose. Okay. And then you come down, come up here where it says Hey Name. And then you want to take the Hey Name out, and you want to put in our prospect's name. So we want to address our prospect by their first name whenever they read our email. So Control V. And so now when this email goes out, it says, Hey Jermaine, hey John, hey whatever your name is, Jennifer, whatever. Okay. And then it goes into the email. And then at the very bottom, it has either your name or it has management. Okay. What we're going to be looking for underneath every email that you use in these free swipes that you get, there's going to be a call to action bold text. Okay. The call to action bold text is this part right here. Complete your application now, right? For this position to see if you qualify. What I want to do, I just want to highlight the whole thing and we just want to make that a clickable link. So you want to come here to this link tab, and we want to grab this link right here. Grab this link, okay? Control C. You're going to want to take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, whatever your ClickBank affiliate ID is, you want to put that in, okay? So let's go ahead and do that, all right? Let's put in our ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, let's go here, boom. All right. Now don't put in my affiliate ID, put in your affiliate ID so you get the commission, all right? Click on OK. And then boom, that's it, guys. We just made that a clickable link. I like to make this a little bigger, either 18 or 16, whichever one you like. Now, as you can see, guys, this email is ready to go. Okay, we got a clickable link right here where it says complete your application now. This link, when our prospect sees this email, this is going to be a clickable link. They're going to click on it, and it's going to take them to your affiliate page. Now, what you want to look for at the bottom is going to say send now and preview. Click on preview first, and then that's going to preview the ad. That way you can click on this link, make sure it works. And then after it works, that you see your URL, you see your affiliate ID in the URL, come back here and click send now. Okay, super easy to do. Boom. That email just went out, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. I just showed you how to do it. Now, I've already sent out my emails today, hey, just to get ahead of you guys, because it does take about maybe an extra 10, 15 minutes to get these emails ready to send out. But if you could spare that every day, guys, and you have your own online income stream that you can open up, that way after that, 10, 15 minutes, you can go on and do something else, hang out with family, friends, whatever you want to do, or work on another income producing activity. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Now, me personally, I have multiple things that I do online. I got paid advertising. I got this advertising. I do a lot, guys. I got YouTube stuff that I do. I mean, it's just tons of different things that I do online. But there's one method. There's one method that's super easy to do, that anybody can do. Okay, guys. And this is why I'm starting with this first, and then eventually, as we build this up, we'll go on to other more advanced stuff. Okay, and I'll show you guys other stuff that you can do to make money online as well. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. Okay. I'll come in here and I send out emails every single day, guys. I don't miss a beat. I don't miss anything. What doesn't matter what it is, don't matter where I'm at. If I'm traveling, as you guys may know, this last week I was traveling, still came in and I shot videos and I still sent my emails out no matter where I'm at. Okay. Because you know why? I'm hungry, guys. I want this more than most people want to make money online. I really want it. Okay. I would love, I mean, I do this every single day. That's why it becomes second nature. It's like a habit. To create a habit, you got to do something over 31 days. If you do it every day for 31 days, it becomes a habit. Okay, so now that I come in and I send out emails every single day, it doesn't feel right if I don't come in and send out email, guys. It's just something that I do. It doesn't, yeah, I send out, I check on paid advertising every single day because that's something that I do every single day, and I've been doing it for years, guys. So this is just something that I do every single day, okay? And you can too. Guys, go ahead and get started. It may be a little rough for you in the beginning, okay? But as you get through it, you're going to see that there is light at the end of the tunnel, okay? So I just showed you how to send out an email. It was super easy to do. If you don't remember how to send out an email, go back and watch this video again. All right. This is ClickBank, guys. ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to. ClickBank.com. It's free to get started. It doesn't cost you anything. You can go and promote these offers in the business opportunity niche, and you can promote those for free and earn money. Okay, it's super easy to do. Let's go ahead and check the results from last night on how we did. Okay, let's go into the reporting tab. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so today is the let's see here, the ninth, and the ninth is right here. Today we did get, let's see here, we get social sales rep, we got 888 hops, and then 635 unique hops. Okay, we got 3 order form impressions. Okay, these are people that came to the checkout page, they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay, we did get 4 order form impressions. We got 1 sale today. Okay, this is what I've been waiting on. Okay, I'm interested in getting sales. Now we got a rebuild here. We earned money today. Okay, but I'm more concerned about this because once I get these coming in every single day, every other day, we're getting closer and closer and closer to bridging these sales together. Okay, these rebuilds, this rebuild could have came from anywhere, could have came from months before, but I believe that what happened is we sent out an email a few days ago. I think we got a sale a few days ago. Okay, and I'm going to check that just to double check. But I think this sale came from a few days ago, and I was looking to get paid on that around this time. Okay, but I'm gonna double check. But we did get a free trial today. Okay, and that free trial we're going to get paid out in the next 3 days. Okay, which is pretty awesome. So we did earn a sale today, and we did make money today, guys. It's right here, right in front of us. Okay, so that's a good thing. Let's go ahead and check where that sale came from. More than likely, it came from an email that we sent out a few days ago. So let's go ahead and check that real quick. Right, so let's go down here. We earned that sale right here. Boom. All right, and then let's come down here and let's go ahead and check. All right, let's see, MasterCard. Yep. See, it came from the 6th. Okay, today's the ninth. We got paid 3 days later. Okay, so this sale came from a sale that we made the other day. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how we do it, right? We made a sale today. Just wanted to show you guys. I want to end this video on that note. Just wanted to come in and show you that how to send out an email in the system. Let you know that we did earn a commission today. Okay, from a rebuild that we did a few days ago. And I'm looking, I'm gonna be looking to get more sales to come in closer and closer together. Okay, right now there's just a few days within each other before we get sales, but as we get deeper and deeper into this video series, these sales are going to start getting closer and closer and closer together. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I sent my emails out tonight. I'm going to come back in tomorrow and I'm going to show you guys how we did. Okay. And then we're going to just rinse and repeat and do this again. All right. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a good night. I will meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.